Hey guys, it's Sarah from the Velvet Box, and I'm here to talk to you about one of my absolute favorite pairings in the store, the Zumio and the Sportsheets under the bed restraint system. Now, the reason I'm talking to you about these guys is because they're completely unique and super fun. The Zumio is a really intense clitoral toy. Now, it's not a vibrator. What it does is it actually rotates in a circle extremely rapidly. Its nickname is the paintbrush of pleasure, and honestly, it's super aptly named because it is an amazing toy, especially when you pair it with the Sportsheets under the bed restraint system. Now, the reason I say to pair them together is because if you are restraining your partner and using this toy to paint little circles of pleasure all over their body, leading right down to their clitoris, I don't think you'll have anything on your mind but pleasure. These are one of those pairings that go down in history, like Romeo and Juliet, Harry and Sally, and of course, me and Thai food. So, if you have any questions, go ahead and call our store, or if you'd like to pick up one or both of these items, place your order on Velvet Box Curbside and pick up anytime between 2 and 6 p.m. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and check us out. Bye!